So I was checking the air filter in the Jimny, and it's a lot of oil and dirt, and I don't know when it was changed last. I took the filter assembly off, cleaned it up a little bit. Just 2 bolts hold it on, 2 clamps, 3 clamps, I guess, total. If you pull this off, go into the blow-off valve, and then I'll show you that. I couldn't find the filter anywhere, and in none of the forums told of any US filters, and my main goal is to get as many US available parts without having to order them from Japan. Made in China. Apparently I got this from China, but I ordered it from Amazon, so it was here overnight. So I only found one filter that had a 2.5-inch diameter, and I hadn't looked at this yet, so my goal is to either mod it to fit inside of here, which I'm not sure it will. I'll know in a second. And there's an area inside of here that looks like I should be able to clamp it to it. I can either drill a hole in the outside to access the clamp. I mean, it breathes from right here anyway, so why would it matter if I drill the hole here? So I'm thinking of drilling a hole right here if this fits inside. Let's find out if it fits inside, and then we'll know if we're doing that or not. So this is hopefully a cheap alternative without having to wait for parts or order a whole case from Japan. I just don't. Oh, look at that. Maybe? No? Don't know? Oh, so that fits. That fits onto the 2.5-inch opening in there. Oh, not tight though. So fits on there. So I can put it on and clamp it. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just drill an access hole to put a clamp on. I may remove these and just put them in my parts bin so they're not flopping around, because obviously the lid doesn't fit on anymore, but this filter fits, and that's what matters. All right, I'm going to get to work on this, and I will show you what it looks like once I get the hole drilled. Shazam. All right, so we started with drilling a hole, putting the filter in, but the filter's too large for this. So I ended up cutting the housing off, except for the mounting bracket. And avoid cutting your mounting bracket off if you decide to go this route. I did, because I don't care about this filter box. There's no nostalgia in this thing for me. So, yeah, so if you're cutting the filter box off, just make sure you don't cut your bracket off at the bottom. If you do, you'll be making a bracket to attach your bracket. So let's see, I'm going to show you how it mounted up, and it just mounted back in the factory location. Hose is back in the same place. So you can obviously clean this up as well as you want to. I used a 2-inch cutting wheel, metal cutting wheel, thin one, to cut this off, and just held onto it tight and avoided losing a finger. And then just bolted everything back in place. The factory mounting bracket is right here, and it's just 2 12-millimeter bolts, and literally just put the everything back. That's it. Oh, hey, part number blah blah blah. I'll put a link in the video if you want to see what filter I used. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.